I have a lot of things to do here. Ну так.
Ну, це не було в твоєму вішлісті. Я думала, воно більше. Оце те, що я тобі говорила. Thank you. Scarf is good, thank you. Thank you. Окей, мій прийом.
No. Go. Sorry, buddy.
Born alone, we die alone.
I decided to break a silence in the middle of the video because just like I think that this is the right moment. I want to talk. So my name is Dan. I'm 22. I'm living in Dublin, Ireland, and I just moved here like around 4 months ago, I think. and I'm still trying to figure out what is going on here, how people are living here, what the lifestyle, what about culture and everything like that. So for me, is everything new, even the language, because English is not my first language. I have a lot of things to do here. First of all, I need to find a job, or maybe YouTube or social media will go well here as well, so I can be like full-time content creator, but I think it's not possible right now. For me, YouTube is mostly like a break from everything, just because, you know, I'm working with TikTok and Instagram all the time mostly, and everything there needs to be quick. You need to hold attention, you need to have a lot of animation, you need to do a lot of things for one short video. So here I feel more free. So yeah, I want to share my journey. It's kind of more interesting for me. I feel like it will be like a challenge, like to trying to fix my life and record this and show to you. So yeah, now we are starting our YouTube journey. This will be like okay.
I think, yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. Orange with purple, I think it's good match.
I think we can take red, yellow,
And I think we
and
need.
without orange. You mix and you will have orange.
Ah, yeah. And I think we need also like dark blue. Something like this. Like electric. Also, Ali has like shiny colors. Like this. Sparkles.
But like, this one would be too big. I think this one would be perfect. It would
It's too small.
onto, but like, that one was too big.